Hey there, this is Tom back from Alcons Audio, and we're present at the CEDIA 2023 show at the Colorado Convention Center. And we're happy to be back at the show again with a sound room, so you can hear all we have to offer. But we're also showing a couple of new products and new product developments. This particular example is a design study that we're showing here. And the design study contains a number of new elements that we've developed over the last period. One of the things, of course, is the rAVe technology we've mastered over the last 30 years as the real-world alternative to any mid-high frequency transducer, be it soft dome, metal dome, pure ribbon, air motion transformer. This is offering hi-fi at concert sound pressure levels, so it's super dynamic. But this contains a new development we have in the dispersion control. So with this waveguide technology, we can actually have a dispersion of 80 degrees horizontal by 50 degrees vertical up to 20,000 Hertz. That's quite spectacular. The peak power handling of this driver is 800 watts for 200 milliseconds, which is 10 times the industry standard. This driver is mated to an 8-inch mid-range cone driver. The operates from 1 kilohertz to about 250 Hertz. And the specifics of this 8-inch, it contains our active coil technology. And the active coil technology is a new technology we've introduced in our VR5 Pro Audio speaker system. And it basically creates sound, reproduces sound with much lower distortion, to put it simple. And that's ideal mating with the 4-inch Pro ribbon driver. And then for the woofers, we have two 12-inch woofers. It's almost in the Polizio orientation, and those operate from 250 down to about 45 Hertz, -3. And special about it is a new motor structure also on the woofers. It's what we call a next-gen motor structure with extremely low distortion as well. And the overall sound package is basically what we see as a next level possibility of a residential sound system. The whole thing, as you can see, is non-reflex vented, and it's actually our first approach on the screen system without any reflex venting. And it's also the first screen approach, screen design we have with this new waveguide technology. New information coming on the ABBES system. Above and besides is what it's called. The design study will be featured soon on the website alconsaudio.com, or you can visit it live here at the show, Sound Room number 9 at the CEDIA show 2023. Hope to see you there, or I meet you on the website. Thank you. Bye-bye.